What is the Balconette Partner Seminar?
Today I want to show you the Balconette range.
Here are 4 things that you can expect when attending the Balconette Partner Seminar. Number 1. Visit Balconette's headquarters in Surrey to meet the team and see our premises and factory.
So we've been trading for about 17 years. We have a sales team, technical, obviously administrative staff here, and a separate building over the way, which is our factory for manufacturing. So we manufacture everything.
Number 2. See and feel our unique balustrade systems in the flesh. Learn about their unique qualities and engineering.
The hybrid systems are our own engineering, they're our own proprietary systems. They work in a very unique way. You get systems where you get lugs on the glass that are clamping every glass panel in place. You get systems with lots of posts. And so when one is sitting down, looking out across their garden from their balcony, they're actually looking at a lot of hardware on the systems. So when they were designed, the idea was to remove all of the hardware.
Number 3. Get hands-on with an installation demonstration and experience the ease of installation of our balustrade system.
Guys, you can get hands-on and you can see the systems, you can build it with our installers. On this demonstration, please ask any questions you have at each stage of the install. Okay, we're going to be adding a primary post, the base track, we'll show you where it's drilled, leveling off the system when the floor isn't totally flat, where we need to have a packer and we need spacers for drainage, etc. Just the tricks of the trade of each stage of the install is really what we want to convey.
Number 4. Hear about our Registered Partners program and its advantages to you.
A bit more on the Partners program. We obviously give preferential rates to our partners. Thanks, Mark. So price-wise, we offer a very good discount on the systems themselves, okay? Our pricing is transparent, so what the customer sees on the website, etc., is what they get. So for you as a partner, if we're handing a lead to you, there'd be a certain percentage discount. If you're bringing business to us, there's a bigger discount available. That's on the product. And then on the survey and the installation, you're free to negotiate with the end client. We can give you an idea of what installing, say, a 10-metre balustrade will be, but that is your profit.